Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. It's been a while since I've done a video. More importantly, it's been a while since I touched this car. This is my 1991 BMW convertible 325i. It spends most of its time in the garage here under a cover, just because it's my baby. But I wanted to show you guys a quick hack on getting rid of this acid rain. I don't know if you can see it in the camera here. I'll try to get down here so you can see those little spots in the glass. I mean, I'm sure you all know what acid rain looks like. It's a pain in the butt to get rid of. They sell tons of products to get rid of it. Most of the products are expensive and it's very time consuming to get rid of it. So I'm going to show you a little hack here. This stuff right here, glass cooktop cleaner. This particular brand, I don't know if the other ones work, but it's cleaner and polish. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and knock a small section of this out, show you kind of how I apply it, and show you the results. I think you guys will like it. And this stuff's only like $7 at Walmart. So, all right, guys, taking this stuff here, I'll just take me a microfiber cloth. Shake it up real good if it's been sitting. Put you just a small little bit on the rag there. Doesn't take much at all, okay? And then we're just gonna put that on and basically kind of polish it / wax it, however you wanna call it. Don't be afraid to put a little force behind it, put a little pressure on your finger. And don't get me wrong, this is not just like a wipe on, wipe off. It's still time consuming, but it's time consuming, but it's only like $7 a bottle. And it's actually pretty quick. I mean, it works pretty good. Now, if your car is suffering like from severe acid rain, yeah, it's gonna take you a while. But this car here is not too terribly bad. So let's see how it comes out. Already did my E90. It came out real nice, but it's an 09, so it's not, the glass wasn't terrible on it. And then just using the bottom portion of my rag, I'm just gonna wipe it off. Okay, so this glass is it's actually pretty bad, so it might take a couple more applications, but not the end of the world. I typically do like one little glass at a time. That way you don't get burned out, you don't get your arm all sore and stuff. Like, I'll do this whole window tonight. Might do the other side just so they match. And then I'll do this window. And then maybe another day I'll do that window. And then so on and so forth. Just so I'm not getting burned out. But yeah, let's do a couple more applications. All right, let's see how that looks. Now, all I did was this one little spot just to show you guys. I'm not going to video me doing the whole window because, like I said, it is a little bit time consuming. But you see the spots right there? Follow this light right here. Let's look at that light. You can kind of see the spots. And then if we move right here, right there, you see how clear it's got? There's still a little bit, but way less than it was. So, like I said, it's a little time consuming, but this stuff is dirt cheap. You got a little time to kill. Like I said, do one little window at a time. I'm gonna do this one tonight, finish this whole window, and then I'm probably gonna do the next one tomorrow or something. Next time I come out here to mess around and ain't got nothing to do. It works really good on the mirror glass. I actually already did the mirrors a little while back. Be careful with the mirrors though, because I tried doing this on my '84 coupe car and it it was just so old and like been sitting outside for so long that actually I took the mirror finish off, so I had a big black circle right here where you couldn't see nothing. But yeah, so that's the gist of it. That's kind of what you're looking to do, just polish the spots away. So hope that works for you guys. Good luck with it. Thanks.